Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream easily. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the best results, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are also thoroughly chilled. This simple preparation ensures a light and airy texture every time you make it. Now let's get to the fun part, whipping. Begin by mixing your cold cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla on a low speed. Once the ingredients are combined, gradually increase your mixer's speed to medium-high. Keep whipping steadily, watching closely as the cream transforms. You're aiming for soft peaks, which means the cream holds its shape, but the tips gently curl over. This usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. To achieve perfect whipped cream, continue whipping just until stiff peaks form. This means the cream will stand up straight when you lift the whisk. Be very careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn into butter. If you want to experiment, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract instead of vanilla, or even a little orange zest for a fresh twist. The possibilities for flavor are endless. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is best served fresh, right after you make it. It's the perfect topping for desserts, fruits, or hot beverages. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 2 days. If it separates a little, just give it a quick re-whisk before serving again. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.